Alright guys, this is gonna be my first bike video. It says, as you can see, I have like a clamp for my helmet and a clamp for my handlebars. So I'm gonna go up to these bike trails that I know of up the street, and let's get going. Alright guys, so this is what people like to call the tracks. It's like a dirt bike track, but I'm using my Schwinn because probably most likely nobody's here. My mount on my handlebars and my helmet. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna ride you like this. Okay, so I'm just making extra precautions to make sure my mounts are all good. So here we go. The video might be a little shaky. Whee! Alright, I'm gonna slowly go down this hill. Slow. Okay. Let's get this thing on the road. It's a little rocky for my wheels, but I'll make it. This is also a good place for airsoft. Check out the videos that I made with my friend Anthony. His name is Glitching Motto. So, yeah, this spot is where we play airsoft. As you can see, there's bike tracks and dirt bike tracks and ATV tracks, so yeah, this is a fun place. I'm gonna use my helmet cam now, so yeah. Alright, so now it's the helmet cam. I got my helmet mount, and now let's get to it. Sorry if my camera might flop back and forth, but I just got this today, so I'm still working out the kinks. Whoa. Turning around and going back because I don't have much time on this video, so yeah, because it's like a 10-minute bike ride from my house. I've never been this way, I don't think so. Whoa. Oh crap! Whoa! Exiting the tracks now. Alright guys. with the pumped up kicks. Yeah, this is for you. So, thumbs up for you. Alright guys, Zachary Attack 100, so please rate, give me a thumbs up, comment, type below, and subscribe. Click that subscribe button, guys. I'm working forward to getting a lot of subscribers. Okay? So, yeah, that'll be it for today. And don't forget to subscribe to my friends Glitching Model on YouTube and Manny the Gaming Turtle, because they are like my best friends. So recommended subscribe on their videos too. So bye.